all checked in and I'm room 1215. Look at the key. It's cool. It's like a bit of wood. Tap that on there. In we go. I've already dumped my luggage off because that is a ball ache to get them two pieces in here. Quite heavy and awkward with one hand. In between there is a plug socket. I don't want to forget that, so I'll do that first. Just knock them over. Right, let's start at the door. Shut that because I'm not leaving now. And then obviously a lock on your door. Some light switches. Behind me, there is two sliding doors for your wardrobe. You have a safe and some coat hangers this side. Shut that. Open this one up. And this side you have a few more coat hangers, an ironing board, and plenty of room. So you could put your suitcases in here, but I'm only staying for one night, so I'm not going to bother. Behind me is the bathroom. I like the marble top. Not my favorite color in the world, but it does look nice. On the wall you have two big lights either side of this massive mirror. There I am, all hot and bothered. I need to jump in that shower, which you can see behind me. It was a long flight. Couple of plug sockets, hand soap, body lotion, tissues, hand towel, couple of cups. You got toilet roll, a bin, your toilet, and right above it is some artwork. Behind the door, as you saw in the mirror, you have your shower cum bath. It seems to be a common theme in America. It looks quite shallow to be a bath, but I mean, there's taps there, so you must be able to use it for a bath. I like my baths quite deep, so I'm not sure how that will go with me. There's body wash, hair shampoo, and hair balm. I'm gonna say that's conditioner. Never heard of it be called that before, but it is what it is. There's your controls for your shower, and there's some towels on the wall. Nice big curtain that you can pull across for a bit of privacy, don't get the floor wet. And that is the bathroom. God, I'm lagging a bit. That flight was long. Here is almost a floor to ceiling mirror, so you can check yourself out before you go. I'm not gonna do that right now. And then it opens up into this massive area, and it is massive. There's a lot going on here. It's a big room. I love it. It's just me, so plenty of room for me. We'll start here. On the wall is your aircon controls. That's pumping out a bit of aircon, so that is lovely. We got a light on the wall with a reading light just there, a floating shelf, and what looks like an alarm clock, which isn't on, so that's handy. No plug sockets though, which is a bit worrying. The bed has to be at least king size. It's big, but that's what they do in America. Big beds, I love it. And the same this side, same thing. You got a light on the wall and a floating shelf, but you also have a phone. You can do room to rooms, you can do local calls, long distance calls, credit card calls, international calls, and then you've got the front desk, housekeeping, concierge, hotel information, messages, room service, gifts, dining room, wake up call, hotel operator, all sorts going on that phone. That was a lot to reel off. There's another reading light, it's not on though. And again, the wall art. Is there any plug sockets? I don't see any, so that's a pain. Right here is like a little coffee station, complimentary coffee and waters, which are going to go down. A treat in the corner, a lamp, quite a big lamp to be fair, with some artwork. This part I like. Look how comfy that looks. You could easily lay down on that, and it's facing behind me the TV, which again, a couple of bits of artwork on the TV. On the wall, sorry. The TV is a good size. There's your TV remote. Got some drawers. Oh no, you don't have a drawer. You fooled me. You have a fridge, which is good to be fair. I wish I brought some stuff at the airport to bring with me. Look at that, that fooled me. Is it gonna fool me again? No, we have drawers. empty, bit rough, bit old, but they do a job. All empty, so 3 drawers, and what look like 3 drawers is actually your fridge. Shut that up, and then in this corner, you have an office. You have a desk, you got 1 free plug socket under there, you got a lamp, another phone, just in case you can't make that long walk all the way to there. But yeah, that's quite handy if you're sitting down working. That seat looks quite comfy, I'll be honest. Oh, yes. Sit here, do some work, chill out, feel like a boss. And then, just behind me is our view. Look at this view. I'm on the 12th floor, so I am very high up, which I like because I love heights. The view's pretty amazing. That down there is the car park to the hotel. And just off to the left, over there, is the airport. That is how close we are. There was a shuttle from the airport to this hotel. And the driver went past me the first time, so I had to wait about 45 minutes, which was a pain. But it is what it is. I got here in the end. It is complimentary, so I didn't have to pay. And I need to get to the port tomorrow. And the guy on reception said I should be able to get a shuttle. They do it 3 times a day, I think he said, to the port for about $15, which is going to be a lot cheaper than Uber. So I'm hoping that works in my favor. Also, I'm not sure if you can tell, but that it's about there. See that flashing light? That is a plane that's just took off. So it's a great view. We've actually got a runway view because that is the airport just there. You can probably see a couple of planes with their lights flashing. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the move that I can see. And yeah, they've been taken off and heading off to wherever they're going. So if it was during the day, what a view that is. That's cool. I'm tired. But this is our room. Oh, got one more thing to show you. A bed test. I'm a bit worried if I do this, I'm not going to get back up because I am shattered. But let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, almost dropped the phone. That is a good thing because if you drop the phone, then that means it's soft. Oh, this is bliss. Whole bed to myself. I can literally starfish. Look, so much room. Perfect. If you enjoyed this room tour, guys, then please drop a like. If you have any questions or comments about this room or hotel or location or about the shuttle or anything, then please drop a comment down below and I'll see you guys in the next one.